say, the weather looks weird outside.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 317, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana.
It's up a little bit.
And the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Capaya, Hines, Issaquah, Leake, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, Warren, and Yazoo. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch.
What?
Designations are favorable for the development
What's that?
of severe weather, including large hail and damage
Yeah.
and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not
It's
be
a
imminent,
severe thunderstorm watch for north. It's not near us.
statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio.
You know, you can actually program your weather emergency to air for the north side. Interesting, huh?